Actually, and now I wanted to take a quick look, a glimpse, actually a quick look at the problems that the OIC are facing these years or over the past decades in terms of water management and water scarcity. And actually it is difficult to generalize the water issues in those countries because now we have in front of us around 57 countries, the member states of the OIC, as the OIC member states. And so now they are spread across a vast geography in different continents, and actually they are struggling with different types of environmental, social, and political problems that vary from region to region. But maybe if we want to actually find some problems in common among those countries, we can come up with four main reasons behind the water crisis or water problems in those countries. I can classify them into four categories. The first one can be sort of, you can call it asymmetrical development in those countries. And the second one is hydrocolonialism. In some of them, hydrocolonialism, this is related to power relations on a global scale. And the third one is regional power relations and transboundary rivers. And the last one is climate change, of course. Climate change is actually aggravating the problem in those countries.
In the Organization of Islamic Cooperation members countries, excellently organized in the very beautiful Islamabad by the Ministerial Standing Committee on Scientific and Technological Cooperation, Secretariat with cooperation with the Pakistan Councils on Research in Water Resources and the International Water Management Institute. So today's event once more marking on the importance of the saving and protecting water resources and protecting more effective using it, and highlights that the water is one of the world's most precious resources. So, and critical for achieving the 2030 agenda for sustainable development.
Ladies and gentlemen, when we are looking back on the World Economic Forum, the report they are producing every year, in 2024, they produced the report, and in the report they have put it the world 10 largest the risks which are impacting, and then those risks has been categorized into that the environmental risk, also the cyber risk, as well as the technological risk and other things. There are 5 categories. But interestingly, the 5 major risks are relevant to the environmental risk, and those 5 risks are relevant actually to the water sources. So we are talking about that one, the climate extreme, which is creating the problem of floods or creating the problem of drought. That's the world number 1. That one, the economic, the risk. Second is about the about the management of natural resources, which we are talking about the groundwater. Also about that one, there is a pollution which is caused by the water bodies and all those sort of the pollution. Of course, there is air pollution, but major part is about the water. How we could meet different targets and everything. We have seen that when the UN organization have set up many of those the targets which are 2030, Sustainable Development Goals and everything. And when we are looking around the 17 Sustainable Development Goal, so out of the 17, water is although only specifically mentioned in the SDG 6, but it's connected with every single Sustainable Development Goal.
Tone for this event and its significance in the present moment. So special thanks to all of them because they are leading experts in this domain.